Hi everyone, welcome to AS Health and Fun channel. Today's recipe is Rajma Curry, healthy dish without grinding. You can say that it is a bachelor's recipe. Without delay, let's start how to do it. Take 1 cup of Rajma, soak it overnight. Take a pressure cooker, add 3 cup of water and little salt. Boil it in high flame up to 6 to 7 whistle. It depends upon the rajma type. If it needs more whistle, you can add it afterwards. Take a pan, heat it well. Now add 2 to 3 spoon of cooking oil, any oil you can take. Add 1 spoon of jeera, spoon ginger garlic paste, or you can add sliced ginger and garlic. 1 cup of sliced onion, or you can take onion paste. Stir it well. Add 1 cup of grated tomatoes, or you can take tomato puree 1 cup. Add little salt for taste and it will help to cook the tomato and onion well. At the same time, take a bowl. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 spoon of coriander powder and 1 spoon of fried jeera powder. Now add little water, mix it well. Add 1.5 spoon of Kashmiri chilli powder to the tomato and onion, and add this powder mixture also and stir it well. Now make your flame little high and fry it well. Later you can reduce it. And add boiled rajma water. Mix it well. And you can add extra 1.5 cup of water and see the consistency. If you need, you can add a little more water. Now close the lid. Let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Now open the lid and add 2 sliced green chilli and 2 piece of ginger sliced. Now let it boil again. Do not mash the rajma in this type of curry. Look at the consistency, and in this last step you have to use the garam masala powder 1.5 spoon. It will give you the nice texture and aromatic. You can add little rajma masala also if you have, and add chopped coriander leaves. Your rajma curry is ready to serve. So rajma curry with rice, and you can do this for children's lunch box also. It is nice food.
Click the notification bell to get more videos as I upload.